And so yeah, so welcome to Never Ending Cars, the new channel, and let's just take that never ending ride. Get this battery going. Oh, it's from 2022, so it's about 3.5 years old based on the month of July. So let's see. Got that on there. That on there. Nothing's touching each other. And then we shall just plug that in and see what happens. Let that be and let that cook, and I'll check that a little bit later for the battery tray. And yep, clean that up for sure and lube up some of the bolts and stuff and make it tighten down a little bit easier. Go from there. Oh, we may as well start cleaning some of this up. I think I might just do the vacuum, get the big stuff by hand. Let's see. I had to clean my filter out. My filter was like full. So I had to get that done. Pine needles. Oh, nice rusty nail. Got a clog. All right, we're going to be able to see some of the framework and stuff, and it's not all rusted, which is good so far. A lot of cobwebs, spider homes, tree sticks, a lot of limbs, a little bit of everything in there. I think we need to clean out the hose. I have to pick all the pine needles out of this. One by one, vacuum doesn't do very well with them. They just get stuck and trapped, and then it clogs it up. And so I may as well just pull them by hand. Leaves, no problem. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to take the cowl off. Get to the rest of the dirty stuff that's underneath it. Take these wipers off. Surprisingly, the wipers aren't too faded either. I figured they'd be really faded. Well, there's one. Now, just for the other one here. Push that up just a little. There we go. There it is. Got it. Now, if you can do this gently, gently. Don't lose the screws. think that's all of them. Careful. Careful. Spiders. Careful. Here we go. Well, it looks like we made some headway. Jack this thing back up again. All right, looking much cleaner. Much cleaner. No more pine needles and leaves and spider webs. All that stuff. Firewalls vacuumed out. Got our grate vacuumed out. I got to get a smaller vacuum to get way underneath there, but I think we got it. So now it's time to tackle this interior. Let's see. Oh, maybe you should take the journey with me on getting all this stuff in here, or getting all this stuff out of there. And here. Let's see. Then we'll clean that out later. Got the factory door bumper on the wall there. Yep. Let's see, we have dirty floor mat. I think that's the cruise control module, I'm assuming. So that's like a little rat's nest thing we're gonna have to figure out. Let's see what else we can pull out of here. Grab this little center console thing. Gonna need that. Should have used that. Fuel filter. Oh, getting some money back. Dang, there's all kinds of money there. Have to dump that out, I guess. Oh, look at that. There's the bubble mirror of all things. Boy, Brody. Alright. No change. Have to look and see how much money we're making. And don't forget that penny. There's a bolt. Need that. Safety pin. You know those are good for taking out splinters. So let's relocate that over here. Yeah, we'll go through that later. Looks like we got another quarter, some more change, another quarter. Yeah, that could go to the casino or something. See if we can grab all this change. Looks pretty good. Be vacuuming that out here shortly. Oh, another quarter right there. I'll have to check the years on these too. It might be older. If it'll move. Oh yeah, there it goes. Got a pair of sunglasses. A nightshade. That's kind of cool. A jacket of some kind. Air tube for the air cleaner. Definitely need that. 4-way. Gosh, can't have enough of those. Another floor mat. Don't believe those are original. There's a lens to something, but who knows what. Another quarter. Matches. Part of fingernail clippers. Screw. Broken glass. I did see in one of the window felts that there was busted glass. Somebody might have broke into this thing at one time back in the day. Possibly. Don't see any rat's nests in there, thankfully. Just a bunch of stuff that needs vacuumed. That's a old socket, screw. Yeah, there's broken glass on the carpet, so somebody broke into this maybe more recently. Get the bigger things out of here that won't vacuum up. Another screw. Man. Yep, the window was broke out for a long time, obviously. I'm seeing tree leaves. Seeing tree leaves, a lot of broken glass, and then just all this dirt, which is just collected from the window being open. Should clean up though, I would think. Alright, I guess we'll pull out the old taillight lens here, see. Nope, broken. Figures. Reverse lens. A little cracked up, but yeah, see the cracks there. Usable. Let's see. Hubcap. Boy, those are heavy. Got the Ford with the 3 lines. That's pretty cool. Trunk. For now. Hopefully didn't leave a bad impression in the seat. Okay. Well, these hubcaps are in pretty good shape. Not seeing any curb rash. There's like no curb rash on those at all. Too bad nobody uses hubcaps anymore. At least I don't think I am. I mean, maybe. But more carburetor stuff. Need that. We'll get the other stuff from the other side. Jumper cables. I always end up with a free set of jumper cables and a 4-way every time I buy a car. Not that I can't use them, but you know. Let's see. Not too shabby. Time to head to the other side. Now we're on the other side. Got a nut. Not sure before. The little red lens that he had on the taillight panel. Got another floor mat. And a penny. Let's see if we can roll this seat forward. Oh yeah. Roll that seat forward. Penny. Another floor mat. Hopefully. We're going to suck up some kind of money at some point. That's a lot of stuff. We're going to speed through that. What else we got? The hood ornament. And the Edsel carburetor. Probably just sell that, likely. Some brass fittings. Seat belts. Alright. So we vacuum this thing out. I'm going to clean this up first, but let's vacuum it up. Well, we're back after I don't know how long vacuuming tip to tail, man. Tip to tail. So once again, we got engine all vacuumed out, cobwebs gone, evicted some spiders, all that good stuff. We still have to clean some bumpers and whatnot, but we got the trunk cleaned out. There's all kinds of like silica sand in there, and bolts, nuts, screws, nails, wood. There's some craziness in there, but no rust. No rust that I can see, so good and clean, ready to go. But yeah, got the inside vacuumed out. Looks a little, quite a bit cleaner. Yep, kind of hard to see, but looking pretty good. Now I just gotta work on all the stains and the black and, you know, the stuff in the grain. Doing that, then rip the headliner out. All that good stuff. So, yeah, so good progress today, at least for day one. Finally got to mess with it. So, good time. All right. Well, stay tuned for the next time. See what else we'll do. We got to put some stuff away. Figure out what we're going to do with that. So, all right. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, click like, subscribe.